today we will be talking about emotions. Everybody say emotions. 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 Yes. So we wait. Everybody hands back. Let me see. Let me see. Good job. Hands back. So we will be talking about emotions. So first, I will show a picture. Ooh. Can you please describe the the woman in the picture? What can you say? Can you please describe or what can you say about her? Yes, Miss Vicky. She's happy. Yes. Because okay, she's smiling. She's closing her eyes. How about the others? Laura, what can you say? She's she feels wonderful. Good. Yes. No more? No more answer? I'll go next. She feels good. Okay, yes. Yes, if we feel good, we are smiling, we feel relaxed, right? So the first emotion that we are going to talk about, everybody say it again, happy. Happy. So when you are happy, what do you usually do? You're smiling like this, right? So we want to dance. So when you are happy, anybody who wants to come here in the front and show a happy face? Who wants to come here in the front and show? Nick, go Nick. Oh, he's the first one. Go Nick. Show to the class. How does it look when you say you are happy? Nick here. Yeah. Go. So can you please show to everybody a happy face? This is a happy face, yes or no? I think he, are you okay? Just show your hand. He's right. Okay, good job, Nick. Are you happy, Nick? Yes. Thank you so much, Nick. Okay, next one we are going to talk about is everybody. What do you think? Leo. I'm angry. Okay. So angry. How come that you say that this one? Okay, take a look at the little boy. Okay? His eyebrows. His mouth. Now, again, what do you think? Is that what is the emotion show? What do you think? Is it happy, sad? What do you think? Who wants to answer? Yeah. Angry. Wow, yes, you're correct. Angry face. Now, I want somebody who will come here in the front and show a angry face. Who wants to come here and show to the class? Any volunteer? Please again. I want other hands. Other hands. Okay? Oh, you are shy? Okay. Okay. Maybe I will do it first. When I am angry, I am stomping my feet. When I am angry, I'm pointing my fingers. I am angry. Now, who wants to shout? Who wants to do it? To show to the class? Who is angry today? Nobody? Nobody? Oh, you are shy. You are shy. Angry. Do I look angry? Do you think Teacher Arlene is angry today? No. Do you think Teacher Arlene is angry today? No. Do you think I am angry today? Yes. Okay. This no one answered. Okay. Next, everybody. Now, so we're done with happy and the angry emotion. How about this one? What do you think? Oh, other hands. Oh, Sabrina. Sad? Do you think she's sad? Yes. So I think she's about to cry, right? So anybody? Okay. So everybody say it again. Sad. 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 Who wants to show to the class a sad face? A sad face? Oh, I think they are shy. Lumia! Yes, I saw her. When she's listening to our song, her face is very sad. Okay, can you please show to your classmate a sad face? Again? Again? It's okay. Good job, Mia. You're so cute. Thank you so much. Can you clap our hands for Mia? Thank you. Okay. Last one. Last one is. I'm sorry, I know the word is already here. Anybody? Wonderful. Everybody say it again. Wonderful. Wonderful. this month, I feel wonderful. Yay! Come on again. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping teacher Arlene. Now, I think we can play a game. Let's start by with this one. How many? One, two, three. How many? Four. So the first emotion, what do you think? This is a happy face. How about this face? Again. The second one. Say everyone say angry. Angry. How about this one? Okay. Now I will say the emotion. I will say for example, teacher Irene will say sad. What number is it? Sad. Two. How about wonderful? Four. Okay. Now let's practice. Uh, Raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay. Raise your hand. Uh, sad. Sad. Number. Sad. Leo. Number two. Very good. How about angry? Angry. Lydia, go Lydia. Three. How about happy? A happy face. Momo, do you want to answer, Momo? Happy. Stand up. Happy. Number. What number is it? One. Happy. Two, three, four. Yes. Can you please make it? Oh. Can you please make it? Number one. One. Okay, one. Go. Say that again. Go. You're correct. Number. Yes. She says number five. But she wants to whisper to each other. It's okay. It's okay. 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 How about that's it. How about when I say number when I said wonderful. Wonderful. What number is it? Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. Number four. Okay. Now I will switch. I will do the other way around. I will say the number. Tell me what is the emotion. Say for example, I will say number two. What is it? Calvin. Yeah. Calvin. Yes. Okay. Correct. Okay. Let's practice. First one. Angry. Angry. Oh. Tommy. Angry. What number is it? Angry. One, two, three, or four? Good. Three. How about wonderful? I feel wonderful. Number. Go, Adam. Four. Good job. Next is number one. Mia. Happy. How about number three? Fiona. Yes, that's one. Number two. Aaron. Okay. Good job. Now, this time we will play another game. And this time it will be in a group game. Okay. So first, we will be this group will be orange. This group will be apple, and this group will be banana. Very good. Orange, apple, and banana. What are we going to say? Is we will say, how are you? Everybody say it again. How are you? Everybody, how are you? How are you? Okay. So I will call one student for each group, and then what you are going to do is you will. Okay. So you will come here in the front and roll the dice. We will touch this one just like this. I will show it to you first. Okay. Say for example, spin it. Okay. And then it's number Emma, and one from Apple Key. Apple. Mia. Okay, let's start again by playing rock, paper, scissors, stone. In 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Scissors. Okay. Woo! Emma, it's your turn. Please come here and spin the wheel. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now spin the wheel. Emma. It's number. What number is it? Number 4. Okay. Now number 4. Going back number 4. Everybody, what are we going to say? We will say. How are you? Okay. How are you? Again, 3, 2, 1. How are you? Wonderful. But wait. We need some action. Can you say I'm wonderful? I'm wonderful. I'm wonderful. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Yes, perfect. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Good job. Thank you so much. Okay, so I will give 1 point for the. Where is our job? 1 point for the. Oh, give it. No, take it. Number is Emma is from orange team. Okay, next is I need 1 from apple team, Kelvin, and 1 from banana team. Go, Nina. Okay, paper. Woo, okay, Kelvin. Kelvin, please come here. It's your chance. Go, Kelvin. Okay. Woo. Number 4. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Everybody, number 4. Okay. Everybody, in 3, 2, 1, go. How are you? Wonderful, awesome. Thank you so much. Wow. So 1 point for the couple. Good job. Next, I need 1 from banana, Lydia, and 1 from orange team. Ooh, now Ali, stand up. Paper, scissors, stone, go. Again, 1 more. Woo. I think it's Ellie. Ellie, please come here and spin the wheel, Ellie. Go, Ellie, go. Okay, ready? It's number 1. Okay, wait for a while. So, okay, number 1. Okay, are you ready? Number 1. Everybody in 3, 2, 1. I'm happy. Very good. You're good, Annie. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Okay, next. Ellie is from orange team, right? Okay, next. Okay. 1 from orange and 1 from apple. Nick, stand up. Pippi, stand up. Ready? Paper, scissors, go. Oh, it's Vivi. Vivi, please come here. Vivi. Go, Vivi, go. Okay. Oh, number 1. Number 1. Take a look. Number 1. Okay. Everybody, get 3, 2, 1. Good. When you are happy, you can show your smile. Give me. Come. Show your smile to your classmates, okay? I am happy. Let's do it together, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Hi. I am happy. Okay. Thank you so much. So another part. scissors, go. Again, one more. One more. Okay, it's Nora's turn. Nora, come here and spin the wheel, Nora. Go, Nora, go. Okay, ready? It's number 2. Nora, take a look at number 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Everybody, in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wait. Nora, be the same of your mask and show to your classmates. If you are sad, in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, Nora. She can start herself like smiling. Nora, are you happy today? Yes. She can stop her smile. It's okay. Good job. Okay, another one. So 1 point for the apple team. Good job. Another one from banana. One from banana. Nina and one from apple team. Yes, Candice. Go, Candice. Okay, Mars. Okay. Oh, Nina, come here. Go, Nina, go. Go, Nina, go. Okay. Go, Nina. Yes. Go. Spin the wheel. Go. Okay, it's number 2. Number 2. What is number? Let us take a look at them. Everybody, in 3, 2, 1. Are you sad? When you are sad, your lips. Okay. Just kidding. Ready? Again. She's shy, but it's okay. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. She can stop herself from signing awesome. It's okay. Very good. Okay. We still have, I think we still have 3 more chances. Oh, she is from banana team. Very good. 1 point for the banana team. Next group is orange versus apple. So Nick stand up and then Jeffrey. Oh, boy versus boy. Ooh, one more. Whoa, Nick, good job. Nick, come here. Go. Nick. Okay, spin the wheel. We still have 4 chances. Go. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Are you ready? Ready. Okay. Everybody. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Clap our hands for Nick. Very good.